So hello guys, this is Sneashish and you're watching All Guide Videos. So guys, in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of Redmi Note 9 Pro and see its overall review. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Yes guys, this is the mobile which I have received, Redmi Note 9 Pro, and its variant is 464, and here we can see its color is Aurora Blue, and apart of that we can get a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, a quad cam setup with 48 megapixel AI quad camera and 16 megapixel in-display selfie camera, and we get a dot display Full HD Plus with Corning Gorilla Glass and with back and front. So, and the main thing of this is we get a 5020 mAh battery and with a 18 watts fast charger. So quickly let's unbox this and see its main box content. So let's open this box and get a first overview of this box. So when after opening it we get a SIM ejector tool as expected, and here's a case for Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I think it's a white in color. In some cases the user may get black cover, but we have got a white cover here, and here comes some paperwork of Redmi, so we don't need this stuff. And let's check out the main phone. So here comes our phone. First keep this aside and let's see what else in the box. So as expected there is a Type-C USB charger, and there is a 18 watt fast charger. You can see here it's 18 watts fast charger. You can see its specs here. So let's all this stuff keep it aside and let's talk about the main. If we take a look in this handset, we get a quad camera setup with 48 megapixel quad cam and a 5 megapixel macro camera and other ultra wide 119.8 degree ultra wide camera. So, and if we talk about the physical overview, we have a noise cancellation mic towards here and a IR blaster which you can use for controlling air conditioner and other electronic devices. So if we go at the down, we can see a 3.5mm jack and a Type-C USB port, and again a noise cancellation mic and a mono speaker. So if you go in the left side of the physical overview of the phone, we can get a SIM ejector tray. So let's eject and see whether it has a dedicated micro USB slot or not. So as I think expected, we get a dedicated micro SD card slot. So here you can use your memory card and 2 SIM cards. So that's a very good point about this phone. And if we go about the right side of the phone, we can have the volume rocker button and the power on button, which also has the fingerprint scanner around here. So now let's check the internal specs of the phone and let's see what else we have in this phone. So it has 6.67 inch Full HD Plus display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G SoC, 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. It has 720 mAh with 18 watts fast charger, USB Type-C battery backup. It has flash-proof nano coating which can make your phone protected from any water. It has Samsung GM2 Sensor, which is a great sensor for your phone, and it has 48 megapixel rear camera plus 8 megapixel 119.8 ultra wide camera plus 5 megapixel macro with 2 MP depth quad camera. It also supports Indian navigation system, which is also known as NavIC, and it's a very cool spec of this phone. It has IR blaster, secondary noise cancellation microphone with glass back side fingerprint sensor, dedicated SIM slot, 90 FPS slow motion, aspect ratio 20:9, dimensions 16.6 into 0.9 into 7.7 centimeter. So if we talk about the display, it has a quite bright display and the refresh rate is 960 Hz in this phone, so which gives it a very cool feelings when you use the phone. So if we talk about the speakers of this phone, and how it sounds. So let's see how it sounds, and I will use one of my song from my YouTube channel and hear how it sounds. So as no doubt we have an outstanding speaker quality of this phone, and it has also a very good stereophonic sound, though it don't have a stereophonic speaker, but it has stereophonic sound. So let's clear this junks app like Hello and other apps which may harm your device. So let's get to app info and see where, yes, we can uninstall it. So let's clear this junk. It's good not to keep these junks in our phone because you know these are Chinese app. As we can see that there is comparatively less ads, which was more in other phones like Redmi Note 8 Pro and Redmi Note 8 and other mobiles. So guys, if you look in the camera, we have many modes like slow motion, which comes with 960 fps slow motion. We have a short video mode and normal video, which comes with 4K availability. So it's a very cool thing. You can capture up to 4K quality videos. So it's a very cool feature of this phone. And we get a photo mode. Obviously it's there in every phone. Here is a 48 megapixel camera, portrait mode, night mode, panorama and pro. So that's for the camera view, and there will be some camera samples which I'm presenting now on your screen. Today guys, if you like the video, leave a like and share this video to everyone, and suggest me more unboxing videos and which ones should I unbox. Thank you guys and have a nice day.